Well, welcome to this week's issue of Inside VoiceOver. I'm Susan Berkeley, and I thought I'd turn the video camera on because I'm back from vacation and I have a lot to share with you today. And I want to thank you, as always, for being a subscriber to our Inside VoiceOver e-newsletter. Now, what I want to talk about today is something you might not have thought about with voiceover. Maybe you think about voiceover as only talking for money, and you're attracted to it because you can work from home and be very well compensated, and all of those things are true. But what you really need to also think about is how much you can serve people using your voice and how valued our talents are. I think we take them for granted. You probably subscribe to this e-zine because people have always told you have a great voice and you consider yourself to be naturally talented in that way, and that might be true. But what you probably have never thought about is how important and how much your voice matters to the people that we serve. Certainly financially, I'm thinking about a commercial that I once did, a direct response radio spot for something called Topsy-Tail. It was actually a TV commercial. It went something like this: if you're getting bored with your hair, don't despair. Now there's an exciting new look with Topsy-Tail, something like that. It was very, very high energy. It was for a little ponytail gizmo that maybe you can remember. That one spot made my client $50 million. 50 million bucks. Now, did I get anywhere near that much? No. I got a very, very small check, but I appreciated the gig, of course, and the client certainly appreciated it. So our voice really, really makes a difference to people, and we really are serving them with the work that we do. Think about the voices from your childhood, those wonderful voices on the cartoons that you loved. Think about the voice of JFK, or even the voice of a loved one, or your mother, So the voice has incredible power to move people. Now, I want to share something with you, a very moving email that I got recently, and this is not to brag. I used to work on radio for when I started out, and I went from radio into voiceover. And I was a kid, I was about 20 years old, and I was working at a radio station in upstate New York, WOUR, and I recently got this email from a guy who had been a friend of mine when I was on the radio, and he writes, "I was going through a box of old photographs, and I encountered a striking photograph of you sitting on my motorcycle in the living room of my house in Rome, New York. You and I had recently become friends due to me bravely making my way down to the studios of WOUR in Utica, where I worked. I was a DJ down there, and I can easily recall the time. Every male stationed on Griffiss Air Force Base was in love with your voice. The fact that you played the best music in existence didn't hurt either. I remember telling my pals that I was going to call you. I did. And that I was going to get an invitation to WOUR. I did. I remember them all laughing at me until I did. At any rate, I did some internet searching and was not the least surprised to discover that you still make your living with your voice. That voice provided so much pleasure to me and my fellow GIs. I will always remain grateful to you for your talents, your kindness, and your willingness to allow me to hang out with you in the studios of the legendary WOUR. That was a rock station that I worked at. And I still get teared up when I think about that email. To me, I was just some girl on the radio, but look at what it meant to those guys at the Air Force Base, and look at what your voice means to your clients. So never, ever take it for granted. Never just think about that you're just being paid for reading words into a microphone. It's not. It matters more than you know. So I want to help you make your voiceover dreams a reality. Today is a significant day. It is the day of our one-day sale for our next voiceover bootcamp coming up in September at the legendary Avatar Studios in New York City. I'd love to see you there. This is the day that if you register, you get a $500 discount. And if you're not ready to pay in full at this time, that's fine. We do have payment plans, but the important thing is to pick up the phone and call Bill at 800-333-8108, which is our number, or you can email bill@greatvoice.com, or just click the link right here on the page to get in on the sale. I hope I see you. I'd love to work with you in September. 3 exciting intensive days in the recording studio where we can help make your dreams of being a voiceover artist, a voice that really matters, a reality. I hope to talk to you soon.